The Tube Money Master course is a unique program. The aim of this program is to teach people how to make money online using the YouTube platform. The program is very easy to follow and it is suitable for both beginners and experienced internet marketers. In this program, you will learn how to create an online business that can earn you money 24/7. The program also teaches you how to make money online from the comfort of your own home. You will be provided with step-by-step instructions on how to make money online. This program will teach you how to create multiple income streams day in and day out. It also teaches you how to market your products effectively so that you can earn more money. The program is designed in such a way that even a beginner can follow it easily. It is made up of several short videos which are available on YouTube. Each video is around 2 minutes long and it explains a certain aspect of the program. There are also some text-based articles that explain various aspects of the program. These articles are available on the site as well. You will also find the complete course manual on the website. The Tube Money Master course is not a get-rich-quick scheme. However, it does provide you with a solid foundation to build your online business. The course teaches you how to use different methods to promote your affiliate products. It also teaches you how to market your products effectively so that you can earn more money. The course is ideal for those who want to start their own online business but do not have any experience. You should note that the Tube Money Masterclass course is not for everyone. If you are looking for a quick fix method to earn money, then this course is not for you. The course requires you to work hard and put in some effort. In order to succeed in this program, you need to dedicate time to learning the various strategies that are taught in the course. Once you have learned these strategies, you can easily apply them to your business.